That's the one we want. Come on, baby. We're driving Aquanetta. Been adjusting the brakes, fine-tuning it, because frankly, it's got a lot going on. Putting some miles on her, getting these pads reseated and everything, because we never got to seat the pads or anything when we went and drove her last time. So I'm seating the pads, I'm adjusting the proportioning valve, I'm actually adjusting the push rod behind the master as well, just to get it where we want it. There's a lot of scuzz on the pads too, so needed to test the brakes a lot. What better place than all the speed bumps?